Welcome to Spyder Auto's light tube projector headlight installation guide for the Dodge Charger. Before we get started, you'll need a 7, 8, and 10 mm socket and ratchet, a panel popper or flathead, and a T15 Torx driver. Check out how Spyder projectors change the look of your Charger. Start by opening the hood. Remove the two filler panels covering the radiator area. There are 5 pop-in clips that secure each filler panel. After removing the filler panels, remove the 4 plastic retainers securing the fascia underneath. Take a moment to apply painter's tape or masking tape to protect the bumper and fender edges while we work. Moving to the wheel well, remove the upper plastic retainer. Then remove the 2 lower plastic retainers. Peel back the fender liner for access, then locate and remove the 10 mm bolts securing the fascia to the fender edge. Go underneath the bumper and remove the 6 7 mm bolts securing the fascia to the under tray. Now we can unseat the bumper by gently easing it back. Unseat and remove the bumper fascia. Be sure to disconnect the fog lamp harnesses if equipped. With the fascia removed, we can now access the 4 8 mm bolts securing the headlight. Remove these 4 8 mm bolts. Unseat the headlight for access. Then disconnect the side marker harness, disconnect the high and low beam harness, and then disconnect the turn signal harness. We have to transfer a few parts over before we continue. Take a look at the underside of your OEM headlight. Be sure not to set the light on its lens. On the underside, remove the 3 T15 Torx screws securing the bumper bracket to the headlight. You must transfer this bracket over for the bumper to fit properly. Remove the bumper bracket from the OEM headlight. Remove the side marker bulb and socket from the OEM headlight. Now for the Spyder headlight. Take a look at its underside, and again, do not set the light on its lens. Seat the bumper bracket and then reinstall the 3 T15 Torx screws securing it to the headlight. Before we reinstall the side marker, check that its gasket is in good shape. Replace it if it's worn. Reinstall the side marker socket. Your headlight adjusters are located here and are all 8 mm. Now to install the headlight. Connect the high and low beam harness. Connect the turn signal harness. And then connect the side marker harness. Now go ahead and seat the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the 4 8 mm bolts to secure the headlight. Now we can seat the bumper fascia. Be sure to reconnect the fog light harnesses if so equipped. Be sure that your bumper edges are properly clipped into place. Moving topside, now we'll reinstall the 4 plastic retainers securing the fascia from above. Reinstall the 2 filler panels by simply pressing their clips back into place. Replace the fender liner and reinstall the 10 mm bolts securing the fascia to the fender edge. And reinstall the upper plastic retainer. Next, reinstall the 2 lower plastic retainers securing the fender liner. Moving underneath the fascia, reinstall the 6 7 mm bolts securing the fascia to the under tray. Then just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your Charger with a set of slick light tube projector headlights from Spyder Auto. This is the actual projector cutoff line.